Hello everybody! In today's video, I am going to be unboxing this package from Decathlon. I bought 2 rackets and a table tennis balls pack. These are 5-star rackets made with premium quality. These are excellent for any player, whether you are a beginner or a professional. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment in the comment box. You can ask more information. Thank you for watching.